I've got to show you this. Have any of you ever seen cockleburs this big? I mean, this is crazy. I guess that's what happens when you have a severe drought and then it rains 10, 12 inches afterwards. And I guess because we got all these, I don't know if you can see it, there's none in there. Like over here, you got all these peas that's underneath. They just feeding nitrogen to these cockleburs. But I'm knocking them down today. Gonna plant some brassicas in here. Hope the peas will make the brassicas grow like making these cockleburs grow. Well, folks, we got all those cockleburs knocked down. We're gonna try to run over and seed that right fast before rain comes. It looks like it could rain most any time. I want to hit it just right, but here's what we're planting today. We're gonna plant some tall time tubers, winter greens. Got some crimson clover here that I'm gonna overseed with, and then I'll probably come back in about 3 weeks and overseed all of it with oats. Try to save the plots for the fall. But anyway, stick around for updates, and let's go over and get it planted. Okay, folks, we're back over here. We're gonna try a little experiment. I'm gonna plant tall time tubers in this patch, and then I'm gonna plant winter greens in the patch up here, and then this strip in between right here, I'm gonna do a mixture. We'll see which one performs the best. Stick with us. Like I said, got those two seeded individually. I'm gonna mix this up and plant this strip. Let's see which one of the three turns out the best and sees the most deer activity. Stick with us. All right, folks. Now we're gonna let my new spreader. Finally got me a new spreader. My old one seen better days. I finally got a new one. So the AgriFab, cheapest thing on Amazon. That's what I went with. Anyway, we're gonna overseed all of it now with some crimson clover, and we're gonna be done and hope it rains on it. Wash this seed in. Well, folks, that's going to wrap up another one. I know I didn't do a lot of footage on this one, but everybody's seen me do it before. If you got any questions about how I do anything, drop me a comment down there. I'll try to answer it. Like I said, I just broadcasted that today, and it's thundering all around this afternoon, and the radar shows rain all over the place. But I'm just gonna let the rain wash it in. I ain't gonna pack it or do anything with it. We'll just see how it comes out. There's plenty of moisture in the ground too, so. But it would be nice to get a little shower of rain on it to splash a little dirt up on it. Come on back for the next one. Like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Leave me a comment. Be more videos coming. Planning on heading up to Ohio Labor Day weekend to check on some cameras and do a little bit of pre-season scouting before we head up in November or October or November. I'm sure I'll do a video on that. I was going to show you this patch here. I showed it to you the other day, but got some sunflowers coming up in it now too. Looks pretty good. As you can see, I got bagworms in my persimmon trees again this year. I don't understand what it is. Somebody drop me a comment. Tell me why the bagworms is so bad. The last couple of years, they've just ruined my persimmon trees. That being said, my persimmon trees is loaded with persimmons, but we'll see how that goes. We'll have some more tips on how I plan on hunting in Ohio this year or around here, either one. Plan on making videos on all that. As you can see, it is hot. I'm sweating like crazy. But I had to get it done before this rain comes. But as always, hope everybody's had a great day. Hope everybody has a great week. And God bless. Remember to subscribe.